by mistake, then it was not, you were not getting the picture clearly. That's why I am repeating it again. So we have started the chapter 3-dimensional geometry. In 3-dimensional geometry, the concept was similar to the 2-dimensional geometry, but we use the 3-dimension length, breadth, and height. So as you have solved in the 10th class, the distance between 2 points under root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This was the formula in 10th class. The same way we have done in the class also, the distance between 2 points by using the distance formula x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square plus z1 minus z2 square. In the same way, we have completed the question number up to first, second, third. Now I am starting the fourth question. This was the different question. In this question, they have given you 2 points A and B, and they want to find out the condition. Find the equation of the set of points which are equidistant from the point. We have to find out the condition. Yani we have to find out the equation which satisfy this condition. The distance between 2 points from P, let P is the point where the distance between these 2 points remain constant. Yani AP equal to PV. If AP equal to PV, so we can do the square of both sides. The AP square will be equal to VP square. Now we have used the formula AP is distance between 2 points AP, x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square plus z1 minus z2 square. Same way we have used here also for finding the distance between VP point. After putting the values, the square root can cancel with this square symbol. Okay, the remaining square which were in the form of a minus b square, we have used the identity here a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. In all the terms, we have 6 terms here also and here also. We have used this identity a minus b whole square. After getting these square, we are getting the same term both sides, left hand side and right hand side. You can see here x square here left hand side, here is also right hand side is also x square, y square both the terms are same, and z square it is also same. So we have cancelled these squares. After that we are getting 1 is also equal here in left hand side, and 9 is also same, and this is the 2 square means 4 is also same. After cancelling we are getting 6x minus 2x this one, or 6x this minus 6x so we have taken left hand side. Same way right hand side we have taken 2z to left hand side becomes minus 2z, it is minus 6z. Okay. So we are getting minus 6z, minus 2z, minus 8z, and 6x minus 2x, 4x. So we have got the equation x minus 2z equal to 0. This is the condition, this is the equation which we have to find out. This is our solution. This is simple, there is nothing is difficult. Okay. Now I am just taking the next question. I am just rubbing it. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me. The next question is find the equation of the set of point P, the sum of whose distances from 4, 0, 0 and minus 4, 0, 0 is equal to 10. There are 2 points A and B. A and B, there are 2 points whose distance from any arbitrary point always remains 10. The sum of distances always remain 10. So let us assume that P is a point such that let P is any point coordinate P x comma y comma z whose distance between these 2 points P plus PB equal to 10. The distances between these 2 points from P, यानी कि PA plus PB equal to 10. The calculation is something different from the last question because they have given that time PA equal to PB, but here they have given you the sum of distances between these points is equal to 10. So we have to take care. We are using the distance formula PA. PA means the distance we are calculating x1 minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 plus z minus 0 whole square plus PB. PB means x plus 4 plus y minus 0 plus z minus 0. The distances between these points is always equal to 10. The sum of distances, यानी कि PA plus PB equal to 10. We have to remove this one. So first of all, we are simplifying in this way x square plus 16 minus 8x. Y minus 0 square means y square. और z minus 0 square is equal to z square plus PB square. PB square will be x square plus 16 plus 8x plus y square plus z square equal to 10. If we use the identity, we do the whole square of both sides. So we have to use the identity. A square plus B square. If we take A, this whole term we take A, that will become B. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. If we do the 2AB will be the very lengthy term. So for this, we are taking one term to right hand side. We are writing in this way x square plus y square plus z square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 10 minus x square plus y square plus z square plus 8x plus 16. First of all, we have taken the one term to the right hand side. Now we are doing the squaring of both sides. Squaring of both sides. If we do the square of both sides, the square will be removed of this term, then it will become x square plus y square plus z square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 100 plus x square plus y square plus z square plus 8x plus 16. यानी कि we are using the identity a minus b whole square. So a is square plus y square plus z square plus 8x plus 16. This question is something lengthy because the term is we are doing the square. There so many terms are coming. Now you can cancel x square, y square, z square in both sides. Okay. After cancelling these terms 16 to 16. Now we are getting minus 8x here and 100 here. Okay. So 100 if we take the left hand side, so minus 8x minus 100 equal to minus 20 under root x square plus y square plus z square plus 8x plus 16. Okay. Now you can cancel both sides by dividing by minus 4. Okay. Now I am doing in the above side. If we divide by minus 4, then it will become 2x plus 25 equal to, it becomes 5 x square plus y square plus z square plus 8x plus 16 divided by minus 4 divided by minus 4 माइनस 4 से डिवाइड करके आपने इसको भी डिवाइड करा, इसको भी डिवाइड किया और इसको भी डिवाइड किया. नाउ वी आर डूइंग द स्क्वायरिंग अगेन. इफ वी डू द स्क्वायरिंग अगेन तो क्या होगा, a प्लस b होल स्क्वायर यानी कि 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 625 प्लस के 2ab यानी कि 100x equal to 5 square 25 x square square. By doing square, the square root will be cancelled. X square plus y square plus z square plus 8x plus 16. So we have simplified this term. Now we can more simplify also. Just take here, this is the 25x square. Okay, we are putting here 0 only. It is 25x square. 4x square ko we are taking in left and right hand side. It is 25 y square. It is 25 z square. 25 8 is 200x. 200x. We put 100x into the left hand side, sorry. Then it will come here. Here 16, 5 0, 400 minus 625. So we have put all the terms from left hand side to right hand side. Then if this expression become 25 minus 4 यानी कि 21x स्क्वायर प्लस 25y स्क्वायर 25z स्क्वायर 200x minus 100x will become 100x. 400 minus 625 यानी कि minus 225 equal to 0. This is the condition. This is the equation which we want to find out. They have given the question, find the equation of the set of point P, the sum of whose distances from A and B is equal to 10. दोनों पॉइंट से डिस्टेंसेस का सम कितना है 10 है. तो they are given the condition PA plus PB equal to 10. So first of all we have put here. So P we have taken the point x comma y comma z. So we have calculated the distance between P and A, that is the distance between P and A. PB, that is distance between P and B, and the sum. So sum के लिए we have added both the sum distances and equal to 10. After that, we have opened all the braces, ठीक है, by using the identity a minus b whole square, because this is only 0, so y minus 0 it is equal to 0, equal to y, it becomes y square, it becomes z square. It becomes x a square plus b square plus 2ab, this is the y square and the z square equal to 10. Now we shifted the one term to right hand side, because if we do the whole square of both sides here, so then the calculation will be more lengthy, would be more lengthy, because a plus b whole square, there will be more than 20 terms. Okay, we have to multiply all the terms also. It was better one term we have shifted to right hand side. After that squaring of both sides, दोनों साइड का हमने क्या कर दिया, स्क्वायरिंग कर दी. जब स्क्वायरिंग करेंगे तो ये स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल हो गया, बस और कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ पर we have used the identity, we use the identity a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, b square क्या था, ये रूट कैंसिल हो गया बस, minus 2ab, तो 2ab क्या है 20x square plus y square plus z square, ठीक है, और ये 8x16 remains same as it was here. After that, when you made the square, so many terms were cancelling, x square, y square, z square, cancel all these terms. 16 was also cancelled, but 8x here plus we cannot cancel, we have taken to the left hand side, minus 8x and this plus 8x minus 8x, it becomes, oh sorry, it will become minus 16x, sorry, minus 8x है, ये plus 8x है, it will become minus 16x. So we can write here minus 16x. So minus 16x है, so we can cancel all these terms by minus 4. If we divide by minus 4, then it will become, all will remain same, it will become 4. 4x, ठीक है, माइनस से माइनस साइन कैंसिल हो जाएगा, minus 100 है, if we divide by minus 4, it will become 25, it will become 5, ठीक है. After that we have squaring again, फिर हमने दोबारा स्क्वायरिंग, 4 का स्क्वायर कितना हो गया 16x स्क्वायर, 25 स्क्वायर 625, और 25 2ab करेंगे, ये कितना हो जाएगा 200, it will become 200, ठीक है. फिर 5 का स्क्वायर 25, यहाँ पे क्या किया हमने, सिर्फ स्क्वायर रूट को कैंसिल कर दिया, ये सब हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, 25x स्क्वायर, ठीक है, और ये 16x स्क्वायर है, इसको यू कैन राइट ये 25y स्क्वायर, 25z स्क्वायर, ये आपका 8x है, तो 25 8 कितना हो गया 200x हो गया, ठीक है, और ये कितना है, ये भी 200x है, तो 200 9x square, 25x square minus 16x square, it will be 9x square. It will 25y square, 25z square, 200x से 200x cancel हो गया, और ये it will become minus 225 equal to 0. So this will be the answer. So we have done all, completed this exercise 12.2. Just try to complete all the question if you have not done earlier. Okay, we could do today only 2 questions because of the network problem or some other problem. There was a technical fault, so we have completed now these 2 questions. These 2 questions were lengthy. Okay, you have to take care whenever you are doing the square and simplifying. Okay, otherwise you can make mistake as I have done here. Okay, minus 8x or minus 8x will become minus 16x. I have written only minus 8x. But now we have simplified by using so you have to use this formula, distance formula only.